Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This Bioban you will be blessed with building. Distinct supervising lecturer, Mr. Professor Usep Suhud, MSI PhD, the supervisor lecture to Professor Dr. Saparudin. The first and foremost, let us offer our praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Almighty Good, for His mercy and blessing that allow us to gather today in hot the research proposal. Allow me to draft myself. My name is Desta Diputranto, a student of Master of Management Program, Faculty of Economic and Business at the University State Jakarta. On this discussion, I would like to present my research proposal, and the title is The Influence of Environmental, Social, and Governance (ESG) Disclosure on Corporate Reputation and Firm Value. This research is motivated by the growing the importance of sustainability practice encompassing ESG aspect in enhanced company reputation. The next is introduction. In the modern era, the business world face significant challenge related to sustainability, ESG aspect, climate change, social crisis, and growing demand for transparency, having driven companies to move beyond short-term profit orientation and begin considering the broader impact of operation on and society. This challenge further the rising expectation stakeholder, including investor, consumer, regulator, and the general public, who demand that business operate in this content from value has become. In this context, firm value has become crucial indicator of long-term business viability. However, in practice, many companies experience a decline in firm value, which can be attributed to variety of internal external factor. One of the main, the stakeholder expectation lack. In this regard, ESG disclosure plays a key role in building positive corporate reputation, strong reputation. These studies aims to analyze the effect of ESG disclosure on corporate reputation and firm value in light of growing importance of ESG. This chart is development of PBV, price to book value, for energy and mining sector 2010 2023. The Adaro Energy, Bukit Azam, PGN, and Luza. Key highlights significant PBV fluctuation. Both Adaro and Bukit Azam experienced substantial increase in from 2022. However, sharp decline occurred in 2023 indicate potential market correction or specific operational. Downward trend at PGN has shown consistent downward value 2019. Its PBV dropped from around 22 in 2019 to experiment 12 in 2023, possibly reflecting decreasing market confidence. The research question: does the environmental disclosure significant to corporate reputation? Does social disclosure have a corporate reputation and energy? Does social disclosure governance disclosure have a significant influence on corporate reputation in energy companies? Does the corporate reputation have a significant influence on corporate values? The next, the research objective and benefit. Research of understand causal relationship. The next, identifying the dominant ESG dimension and examining the moderation of other variable. The theoretical significance is providing understanding of the role ESG in influencing firm value, enrich body of empirical studies in economic management, the particular significance from practical perspective, the finding of this study offer insights, evaluating and developing ESG program structure and transparent manner. The next is literature review. The corporate value is company value is the investor perception, the level success of manager, the maximize in improve the welfare of shareholder, the environmental disclosure, social disclosure, and governance measurement PBV share price for price 100. Corporate reputation is overall belief or judgment regarding the which a company is system. The aspects, the surface quality and reliability, social and environmental, leadership, company innovation and adaptability, brand recognize, financial performance, and operational efficient. Environmental disclosure is performance is a way to improve a company reputation and can reflect socialist responsive behavior to improve system. The measurement is gold, green, blue, red, black. Social disclosure, social performance is disclosure in non-financial information related. Social, the measurement is number of items, annual report, sustainability, total number. The definition of governance disclosure refer to transparent communication of company. Its represent the basic principle is transparency, accountability, independency, responsibility, fairness, and the measurement number of the same of social disclosure. The previous research in the first, in China's ESG rating, corporate success analyzing environmental, the independent variable is environmental, social, governance, dependent, corporate value, mediation, reputation firm, analysis, literacy. For the second, corporate governance, independence, corporate governance, reputation. The result is corporate governance is positive reputation. The third, Christina toward sustainability development, independent environmental, dependent reputation. The result is environmental is influence governance. The influence in the next, the theoretical framework and hypothesis. The first hypothesis, environmental disclosure has positive significant corporate reputation, and the second, social disclosure has positive to corporate reputation, and the third, governance has a positive and significant effect. Corporate reputation has positive effects. In the finally is research methodology in the population 74 energy sector list on IDX. The sample 14 companies, 5 5 years of observation. This study is quantitative research with an explanatory approach. The main objective to examine ESG and corporate reputation from value. This type research of the causal relationship between variable based on numerical data. Data collection techniques, the study, annual report, sustainability report, financial of EDX, official company website, and other relevant. The research covered to 2090 and 2023. This variable, independent variable, environmental, social, governance, intervening corporate reputation, dependent from value. This is proxied by the first to back value. The data analytic is conducted using EView software, which is widely used quantitative analysis. The analysis step include panel data processing, since the data consists of the panel data, the model, classical assumption test, normality, panel data estimation model, the involved tree estimation approach, common effect model, fixed effect model, random effect model. The Chow test and Hausman test will be used to determine the most multiple panel analysis, significant testing, t-test, and v-test of coefficient determinant R square. The use if used in justified by capability of efficiency handle panel data analysis. In the conclusion, in research aims to expand the environmental ESG disclosure value sector companies in Indonesia. The quote of the day in the area of sustainability business and responsibility no longer. I would like to express my appreciation for your attention and valuable time. It also warmly welcome any suggestion, feedback, constructive critiques to improve and refine this research video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.